In this video, we will focus on two main applications. First, using Collaboard's pen tools for instruction, and second, using Collaboard for a design thinking activity. By default, Collaboard will automatically recognize your pen for drawing only. You need to use your mouse or trackpad to move objects, zoom, and pan, since your pen anywhere on the canvas will be recognized and activated in draw mode. To change this setting, toggle Pen Auto Detect off. This will now allow you to grab objects and move them freely around the canvas. Click the Draw tool at the top of the screen to choose your preferred tool, which can be a pencil, a pen, a brush, a highlighter, or a nib marker. You can also select your color and pen size. For more creative control of the line work when using the Wacom pen, choose the nib tool as it allows for pressure sensitivity to make your drawing experience great.